If you had purchased one Bitcoin for $13.30 in 2013 and sold it 9 years later, you would have made $47,686. Thus is the allure and the spectacle of cryptocurrency. Once touted the future of cryptocurrency, cryptocurrency was an unprecedented spectacle in its rise as well as its fall. In this speech, I'll detail the early uses of cryptocurrency, the explosion in popularity, the downfall, along with any potential future in cryptocurrency. It did not always have a stranglehold on the layman. In its early days, it had a myriad of usages. The foundation of cryptocurrency stretches as far back as the 1980s. However, Bitcoin was the first prominent and successful electronic currency on the market. It was developed by Satoshi Nakamoto. The difference with Bitcoin opposed to former electronic currencies was that Bitcoin directly interacted from businesses to consumers. Transactions utilize a consumer's digital information in order to make it a transaction with the business. As Ryan Farrell of the University of Pennsylvania puts it in 2015, Bitcoin took the digital coin market one step further, decentralizing the currency, freeing it from the hierarchical power structures. Instead, individuals and businesses transact with the coin electronically on a peer-to-peer network. When the stock market crashed in the late 2000s, the economy was volatile. This volatility led to doubt in many consumers. Some desired alternate methods of conducting transactions suddenly gained traction. The same economic crash led to certain illegal forms of transactions having success with crypto, such as drug dealing. Overall, the economy's volatility led to the beginning of success for cryptocurrencies, but we still had not even seen close to what it was to come. In the late 2010s, crypto saw a shocking and unprecedented rise. However, a truly unique phenomenon happened at the height of the coronavirus pandemic. The instability in the market crash of the late 2000s foreshadowed what was to come with the coronavirus pandemic more than a decade later. While economic instability contributes to alternative methods of currency, it's not certain that the pandemic directly related to a spike in crypto consumption. Saroki from Science Direct describes her tests and the results leading to this exact thing, saying that their empirical evidence revealed cryptocurrencies, namely Bitcoin, and some alternative coins as well, following on stationary process, which means the market price changes over time. In contrast, the COVID-19 health outcomes follow a weekly dependent process. Hence, they may have long-term reproduction effect, increasing both reported cases and deaths. They further observed a mean daily increase in the price of Ethereum, Bitcoin, Litecoin, and Bitcoin Cash from 0.85, 0.44, 0.36, and 0.15. When COVID-19 confirmed cases and deaths increased by 3.77% and 3.65%, its role in increasing daily interest. So when cryptocurrency began to sharply rise in early 2020, we saw an increased traction of coverage. This is when many people learned of cryptocurrencies for the first time. Some who recently learned of this became very invested. Many public figures and celebrities began to invest in cryptocurrency. Even the president of El Salvador made Bitcoin a national currency in their nation. Now, what comes up must come down, and this turned out to be the case with crypto. Jocelyn Yang of CoinDesk displays the beginning of the end for the crypto boom, describing how 2022 has been coined by some as the year of the rug pull. She says the year 2022 is likely to go down as one of the worst ever in the blockchain industry's volatile history, but for scammers trolling digital asset markets for suckers, or even from savvy crypto traders, it has been a banner year. A new report from the blockchain risk monitoring firm Solidus Labs shows that fraudsters deployed 117,000 scam tokens from January 1st to December 1st, 2022. A 41% increase over the full 2021. This was Yang CoinDesk 2022. And you may ask yourself, what exactly is a rug pull? Well, a rug pull is when groups mislead the public in the new coin that they're building, gain funds from investors only to shut down operations before any investors sell the coins that they had bought. Only the frauds, the people who started this, the people involved in the scam would be able to sell their coins and get all of the money that people invested. Rug pulls happen more and more frequently in the year 2022. However, many were still adamant about their faith in cryptocurrency. Cryptocurrency is not regulated in the same way as other finance options. Therefore, these scams seem to some as an issue that could not be easily solved, and the negative perception led to many selling their coins. It was the negative perception of crypto was gaining now. It had word of mouth hurting it the same way that word of mouth helped cryptocurrency to begin with. In this speech, we covered the beginnings of crypto, the rise of popularity, as well as the downfall. This is my assessment of cryptocurrency. The wide range of speculations and opinions on crypto encapsulate a much larger discussion about technology, the advancement of society, and the role economic instability plays on our futures. It's an incredibly interesting discussion, regardless of one's level of enthusiasm for the specific sector of development. We discuss the beginnings of crypto, rise of crypto, and the fall of crypto. Thank you for listening.